Three, two, one. Okay. Hello. Yeah, we are live, right?
Yeah, we are live.
Yeah.
Hello, everyone.
Yeah. Hello, guys. What's up? How are you? And how's it going?
Tana, I think you are cutting up a bit. Himanshu, can you please take over?
Yeah. Hi everyone. We are just waiting for others to join. There are more people joining in right now. So meanwhile, we will just
Yeah.
start with the introductions. You people can today
Yeah.
today the hosts are me, Himanshu Beniwal and Tanit Apanshu. We are just waiting for
Hey,
others to join.
everyone. Yeah. So,
Yeah.
like, how do you
Hi,
like
Tanit. Would
the
you-
previous session? How was the last session? Hey, hi, Manshu. Yeah. What's up? What's up, guys?
Yeah.
How was the last session? Can you please share your thoughts?
Yeah, what was the feedback for the last session? Meanwhile, we are waiting for others to join. You people can tell how's the last session. Okay.
Yeah, how do you like?
Padmanabhan, Rod, last session was great. Yeah, man, it was great. Thank you, Aryan. Thank you, Vivek. Hello, Justine. We have Gokul. Thanks, man.
Hello, Rasha.
Okay.
Hello, Kush, Aditya.
Arpita, thank you, guys. Thank you. Thank you, Aditya Singh Randana.
With all, we are nothing. Hi, guys.
Hello, everyone. How's everything going? Getting bored, I guess, from the quarantine?
How is
What
life
you
in
people are
quarantine?
doing in the quarantine? What you people are doing in quarantine? What are you learning? Just let us know, people. And if you want any on-demand session, we can have that as well. So just let us know, like what session of what tech you want to learn. Let us know. Let us know. We got more than 110 viewers right now. I can see the energy. I can see the everything.
180. Yeah. Getting more viewers. Yeah. And yesterday was a big hit with more than 1K views. Thank you guys for making it the biggest student community online session. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Hey everyone, Subhajit is there, coding and learning, Akshit, Python, cybersecurity, computer vision, I think Himanshu's field, learning path, okay. Cyan Mandel, AR session on Azure. Great man, great everyone. Yeah.
If you want
JS
to
is
learn
my
anything, you could just ping us right now here on the
yeah.
Discord.
Share what you want to learn and in which field you're interested. Yeah. Putting in
Yeah, and
link. Yeah.
meanwhile, if you want some resources, I'll just drop one resource. You people can go to Microsoft Learn, and you can start learning. There's a like you can discover your path. There's a help. There's more of like you can get so many resources, hands-on resources. If you want to like practice on Azure, you can type that. So you can start with Microsoft Learn, and there are like number of courses going on. You can go do any course in this quarantine time. There's a
And
lot of things you
Himanshu,
can do right now.
why
Yeah,
don't you
Tanay, yeah.
share our GitHub repo with them? Why don't you do that? We have a lot of resources there and they can do their commits and all those stuff. So guys, we will be sharing it in the link and like shortly, right? Shortly we'll be sharing it, right? Okay.
Yeah, hi guys. So I'm just pasting the GitHub repo. We are updating it right now. You will get each and every session. You will get all the resources after every session. So we got all the topics for you for these sessions. If you want some instructions, we have that instructions. If you want any PPT, we have the resources. If you want any Python module or Python notebook, we have that. If you want to host website, we got all the resources. We got every instruction. You can host your own website using Azure. We have like so many of number of resources, so you can get help from this GitHub link I just shared in the chat. So you can go later on and check this, right?
And meanwhile, how many people are there from Namma Bengaluru? How many people? Can you say hi? I'm also from Bangalore. So can you just say hi, guys?
Bangalore people,
People
make
from
some
Namma
noise.
Bengaluru. Guys from Bengaluru, make some noise, Brown. Rohan, Namma Bengaluru, yeah. So, hey, a lot of people are there from Bangalore.
We have Parush. Parush, hi Parush. We got Sayan. Sayam, okay, right. We have Narayana. Sayan is writing AI gaming is also there. Nice. Yeah, Sayan, we have AI gaming tournament as well. You will just enter the tournament, you will earn some satoshis, and you will get the more learning. There's a fun way to learn. Yeah, yeah, we got many people of like our audience are from Bangalore, right? We got Kum, hi Kum, Jaideep Singh, hi. And do we have any Punjabis in the house? Any Punjabis in the house? We are just monitoring the chat. Yeah, Shubham Singh wrote Punjab. Hi Shubham. Yeah, we got Yogesh from Haryana. Okay, so I guess like this is the time we can start with the session, right?
Yeah,
So
we
Ravi,
should
are you?
start it. And guys, it's like really great that we have whole India here, present here to learn. It's awesome, bro. It's awesome, guys. So let's start it from Tamil Nadu, from Punjab, from Karnataka, everywhere. So let's start it. What do you say, Himanshu? What do you say, Kunal?
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go, guys. Let's kick it off.
Yeah.
Thanks for
Ravi,
joining.
can we have
Yeah.
your screen
And
right now?
yeah, Ravi, please share the screen. We have Ravi and Dev with the session of Git and GitHub. So let's be expert of Git. So they'll be starting with the beginning level of Git and GitHub, and they'll be taking you to the expert level, right? So just attend it, and you'll get the certificate of participation for watching this. And after that, Ravi will be giving you some assignments. So after completing it, you'll be getting the workshop completion certificate. Use it, guys. Use it. Use it. Use these holidays for doing something productive. Thanks a lot. Thank you. Thank you, Himanshu. Thank you, Kunal.
Right now we have Ravikant on our screen.
Can we start? Hello everyone, how are you? Answer in the comment box, say hi. So let me thank you to all the attendees for this session. And session is completely on GitHub. And me, Ravikant Goswami, and Dave is presenting this session. I will present theory part, and then after we have a hands-on session too, that will be presented by Dave. Okay. Hello everyone. So if you are new to coding and you heard about the GitHub by your fellow developers, they are talking about what is Git and GitHub. But maybe you don't know about that. What is that? So you are on the right place. Today we are only talking about these things. What is Git, GitHub, and how we can use it. Do one more. Hold a second.
So while Ravi fixes his audio, is there any suggestions would you like to give us from our previous session? Drop your suggestions on the comment. Echo आ रहा है आपके. All right, I think we have Ravi on our screen right now.
Am I audible?
Yes, you are.
Okay. Okay. Hello, everyone. I would like to thank you for attending this session. If you are new to the coding and you heard about the Git by your fellow developer, they are talking about Git and GitHub, but you don't know about what is that and never use it, so you are attending the right session. Today, me, Ravikant Goswami, and Dev we're going to take this whole session. I am going to present the theoretical part or a presentation. After that, we have a hands-on session too. So, okay. How many of you are new to the coding?
Do we have any newbies in our session?
Okay.
Well, I see a lot
Okay.
of newbies in our chat.
Okay, we have a agenda. Here is the agenda. We are going to talk about what is the version control and what is and why, and what is version control tool. After that, Git and GitHub. Then after that, GitHub feature, Git and GitHub both feature. After that, their operation and commands. Okay. Just give me a minute. Actually, I am not able to load YouTube chat.
Ravi, I just have the YouTube chat. You can just carry on it, and if some question comes up, I'll just direct to you, right?
Okay, that's fine.
Yeah. So we can carry on with the session. Cool.
Okay. Before talking about the GitHub, let's take a scenario because now coronavirus is everywhere and each and everyone is quarantined. So now you're thinking about how you are planning with your 4 friends and for a project. So you are planning for developing it, but you are at home. someone is in Delhi, someone in Chennai, Hyderabad, and one is in Punjab. So how you are going to do it? And maybe let's take a scenario. You plan something. Let's do. You are going to do some HTML part, another person CSS part, another will take a Python part. But it is really difficult to synchronize all the things. Am I right? Let's imagine you are going to do it and you are facing lots of problems. That's why we have a GitHub. Your whole team can contribute there, and you can upload your code and collaborate each and every person, and you can commit, push, and each and everything. It will make your life easy. Okay, what is version control? You can think like that. It is a management system which can manage your changes and project which you are going to done. Previously I talked you are going to develop a software, and version control going to is a sorry it is a management system which manage every changes which you done in a project. Version control also keep your all code safe with log and well description. With these changes, something you have done, like you have added some file, you added HTML, later you added CSS, after that JavaScript, it will create a snapshot of it, and after that you can see it, and if you want to restore it, you can restore it. Okay. 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 Yeah. Firstly, you what now we are going to talk about the what is version control system. Firstly, you develop HTML pages which is name is home.html on the first place, and after that, after a few days, you are going to add one more page in that, and you are going to commit it, and version control will keep the whole thing in a scenario. After that, you can modify it and you can change the whole thing. Yeah, when you upload anything and make some modification, it is called a snapshot. These snapshot called are the different versions. I mean, the log which is created and you are going to save, it is called a snapshot. Yes, why we need version control? Yeah, that's a big question. Why we need version control? We can do it by own. We have on a different places, and we can talk on phone. Yeah, you are going to develop this thing, and after that you will do it. But we might face some problems. So that's why we can collaborate in that. Like you have 5 people, you can do you 5 can collaborate in a single project, and you can do everything from your isolation. Meaning in a quarantine period, you can do each and everything from your home. Yeah, storing version. Yeah, we have another feature in that storing version, just like you have a one GitHub repo, and one is on your local and one is on your remote. We have a two type of repository. One is centralized and another is local repo, which is stored in your own system. It is called local repo, and it is from where we are going to synchronize everything, where we are going to push and pull. It is called centralized. So just imagine, maybe you have created a one page. Yeah, I have one question. Can you see my mouse? Hold a second. Okay. Okay.
Hold on, guys, while we fix our issues. Community managers Tanay and Himanshu will be right there in the chat.
Yeah, hi
Yeah, guys, you
people.
can. Hi guys. So, how do you like the session? Actually, we are trying to overcome the network issues and all the other issues. So, yeah, please uh, forgive us if there is any
Yeah,
network issue
please
because
be
we're trying to
patient.
work on it. Yeah, bro. Because we're trying to bring something new to this Corona days to help you people to
Yeah,
get certified.
and because of the
Yeah,
lockdown, there's a lot of traffic on the
lot
internet.
of issues. And people from Bangalore can understand it more because we had rain now and network is a issue, power is a issue, but still we are working, guys. So yeah, Akshit, thank you, thanks a lot, guys. Gokul, yeah, thanks for the love. Yeah,
Okay, we have Ravi back live, so let's continue with the session.
yeah, guys. Sure.
Hello guys. Yeah, I am back. Yeah, we are talking about the storing session. Just like you have created a one HTML page and in your GitHub repo, and it is called version one. After that, you uploaded a one another file, which is maybe a CSS file or maybe a new HTML file. It is your version 2, and after that you added one more file. It is GitHub in GitHub repo. It is version 3. After that, you have made some changes in your page 2, and you are modifying something, and it is your version 4. Each and everything is stored in the form of the versions, or I say in the snapshot. These snapshots are called versions. Okay. If you have any doubt, you can write in the comment. After that, we have another best feature, backup. Yeah, backup is really important. Each and everything is saved in the central server and in your local machine. Okay. Yes, you are doing something, and yeah, you remember anybody is from have you remember that 2010 11 when you are using PC and maybe you don't have that UPS, and suddenly light will go and your all data will be lost. It happens. So nowadays, because it's a 2020, and we have a GitHub. We have also have a backup system. Yeah, when you create your project and your whole data will be available on remote repository, which is available on GitHub, and after that you can make a local repository. Each and every developer have a local repository in case uh, just imagine developer one system is crashed and he lost everything, but on another developers and on the remote repository everything is available. Whenever you want, you can store it. When you start working next day on the project, you can fetch all the files from the central server system, which all changes done by other team developers. It means you have backup of each thing. Yeah, and when you're done with all changes, you can push or upload your changes to the central server. Yes, you are a developer one and you have changes some in your HTML CSS file, and after that you can push to the remote repository. After that, your developer two can pull these repositories, so it also have your code. Yeah, and there is a one more problem. In case of central server is crashed, then each and every developer have its own copy. Maybe you have lost little bit data, but GitHub really have a big developer community. So maybe some of the other developer have their complete local copy in your local system actually. Okay, there is one more feature, analysis. Analysis. Have you checked GitHub? There is some that's dot signs, and that dot sign is really amazing. And when you go on anybody GitHub repository and see, oh, there is a lots of these dots. Yeah, yeah, he is a really a legendary developer like that, no? So when you are doing each and everything, when you're uploading your files, you are making changes, you are deleting it, each and everything is stored in the snapshot, or I say in a versions, and you can track each and everything whenever you want. VCS provide proper documentation of each changes like that, what it is and by whom it is done and when, with date and time. Am I clear? And let's talk about Git and GitHub. Maybe
Yeah, Ravi, there's a question there. Hello. There's a question. What if the central server crashes?
yeah, actually this is not happen in your daily life, but if you're going to work in an industry, there is a 60 or 70 people team. They are using GitHub repo. Yeah, multiple server होते हैं. We have a distributed, actually GitHub have a distributed system, or I say central system is just like Git. I will explain this in Git when I will talk about the GitHub. Let's take a scenario. Git, there is a little bit difference in Git and GitHub. Maybe people think that Git and GitHub both are same, but there is a big difference. So central repository is your GitHub repo. Okay. Yeah, GitHub repo. Maybe people think that GitHub and GitHub both are same because
We
maybe
have
they
another question from Yuvraj Bhardwaj. How often does the central repository sync with the local ones if the changes are made by some other developer?
yeah, for that, just like there is a developer 1 and developer 2. Developer do some changes, and after that he will upload the data, or I say push the data in the term of the GitHub, push the data, or in the general scenario, he are going to upload the data on GitHub. After that, it is that code is available on the central server. After that, you can push or fetch that data in your local repository. Okay, I think that's clear for you. Okay, let's talk about what is GitHub. Yeah, I'm talking about there is a Git is a version control management tool which allow you to perform operation like fetching data from the central server and pushing data in that. Like we are doing push pull from your local repository to the centralized server. It is done by your Git, which is a version control management tool, and GitHub is a company which allow to host your code to the central repository in a remote server. Or I say, have you when you open github.com and you can see your repository there, it is your central system, central repository on that time. And actually GitHub provide that space for the central repository. And Git is a version control. We are doing push, pull, modification from your local repository. Or I say it is like a social network. Just like you have a Facebook. For that, on Facebook, you upload your status, pics, video, and your daily life things on Facebook. And your friends, or I say friends, yeah, I can say your friends see all the things what you are going to do. Maybe you visited this place today. So just like that, GitHub is also a social network, but for the developers. Here all the developers do code, and they are going to they do project and daily their code, and they upload to the GitHub. Okay. Okay, let's. Okay. Yeah. What are you doing? Just imagine we have a workstation PC 1, 2, 3. These are the 3 developers working from the home. They have a one copy of the in the local system, and or I say they have a one local repository in their own system, and we have a one repository which is centralized, and it is distributed version control system, which is available on the server. When any if anything done by the developer one or I say from workstation one, and they can commit and update to the repository. After they can push or pull from direct from the server. Hello.
Yeah,
Hello.
you're audible now.
Audible.
Yeah,
Actually, I
you're audible.
disconnected. Okay. Yeah. Just imagine your workstation one developer have done something in their local system. Might be they created a one image uploader. After that, he is going to save it. Firstly, he is going to save in the local repository. After that, when it is done, he will push to the server. Okay, and after that, workstation 2 a developer can pull it to the repository. After he or she can see the changes in that. Okay. Yeah, let's talk about the Git and its feature. Yeah, one of the most amazing thing, it is a open source, and whenever you want, you can change anything according to your need. Anybody don't ever heard about the open source? So what is open source?
Yeah, if you can brief it, it will be better for people. Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Just एक minute, just take a scenario. Hmm. Yeah. You have a VLC player. Okay, one day each and everyone is use VLC player. So I'm taking the scenario of VLC player. One day you will think that there is an maybe you need one more feature in that. You can open PDF in that. Yeah, might be that silly, but just imagine you can open PDF in that VLC player, but you can't do it because it's not open source. You can't change the code. But in GitHub, you can change the code and you can modify according to it. Even it support every OS or different systems. You can do it. You can do everything from everywhere. Okay. Main thing is you can modify its code according to your need. Okay. Yeah, it's secured. When you do push, when you or I say when you upload anything or when you make us changes, make you modify any file, everything is stored in a snapshot. Actually, that snapshot have a hash file which is decoded by SHA1. And what is SHA? SHA1 is a hashing algorithm, uh, which is like MD4, MD5. It will convert your key in something random characters according to this algorithm. Okay, and every file and commit is checksummed by its SHA1, and whenever you want to retrieve it, you can do it with help of this checksum. And each and every checksum have a unique hash. So what is distributed? Previously we talk about what is distributed. Oh yeah, take a according to me, it is a distributed because of that you there is 4 or 5 developer. They are on some on at different places. Someone is in Delhi, someone is Mumbai, and other places, and each and every one is distributed, and all can do anything. I mean, they want to develop anything, they can make a change from their own places. After that, they can push it to the origin. Okay, you can access it from anywhere. Okay, each and every user have its local copy in your own system, and you can see its history, how many of yeah, if developer 2 or 3, how many changes they have done. Okay, any question? Yeah, it's speed. Kunal, it's a speed PPT.
I'm sorry, what?
It's the
Can you tell
secure
me
one.
which? Actually, I am changing it, but it's not going to change. Someone have take a control or what problem?
Oh, I don't think so.
Okay, until that, I'll just answer some questions. So, Yogesh thing. I see a lot of people have doubts about the server of the GitHub and stuff. So about that, the Git providers, like GitHub is a Git provider. It provides you the services of Git, right? So they keep multiple servers and multiple backups on their systems. Like they have multiple servers for each region, and they keep their backups as well. So it's like next to impossible for all of them to fail at once, right? Like if at least one of them is active, the whole service is active. Your data is not lost. But it's like next to impossible for all of them to like just go off, right? And if it does, they do have fireproof, waterproof, and stuff. Like they have a lot of security enabled right into the hardware as well, not only on the software. So they can just recover the data anytime. That won't be a problem for them.
Actually, Kunal, I am changing PPT here, but something went wrong.
You can just reshare your screen.
Okay, okay.
Okay, while Ravi comes back, does anyone have any other questions? Okay, Jyoti Johari, we could literally push anything onto our repository. It's not only code. Like if you check our Azure Days repository, you'll find pictures right there. You'll find PDFs. You'll find a lot of things right there. Like you could even upload songs on there. It's not a big problem. Okay, Yogesh thing. So like the thing about GitHub is they have a really good security system, right? And the other thing is it's already open source. No one has to hack into it just to get the data. You could literally just log in and check everyone's project right there. So, but yeah, GitHub is not a small company. It's owned by Microsoft right now, and like they know their stuff, right?
Yeah, Kunal, there's one question from Jyoti. She says, like, what about storage in GitHub? Is it same like Google Drive?
Okay, so about the storage, it's virtually unlimited storage. You could store as many stuff as you would like. There's no limitation to that, so that won't be a problem. But there might be some issues with their license agreement or stuff. Like if you like start backing up your system using GitHub, they might stop you from doing that. But yeah, it's virtually unlimited storage. They won't limit you on that.
Yeah, I am on it. Hello, I am on it. Am I audible?
Yeah, you are. So
Yeah,
we
you're
have Ravi
audible.
back on the screen.
Uh, Actually, there is a internet issue. Okay. Yeah.
It's okay.
Previously, you were talking about the distributed. Yeah, each and you have a 4 developer. You can take a like that. You are 4 developer on isolated on different places in a different cities. Like someone in Delhi, someone is from Bangalore, and someone in Punjab, and you all can do that project, and you can make changes in your central system whenever you want. You can push it, and another developer can pull it. Each and everyone have a same project copy on in your local repository, and it is also available on central server. Okay, and there is a Jyoti also have a question. Are you clear with that? Okay. Okay, and the distributed, of course, you can access it from anywhere, even you are in Delhi, or even you are in Mumbai, or I say you are in New York, or worldwide. Okay. Each user also, of course, each user have a local copy of development history. You can check uh, uh, each and every developer history if and developer two ha done anything. Okay. And yeah, yeah, we have a we have a very good feature in that speed. Actually, when you are going to when you save anything, it will saved in a second, and we are going to push it or pull it in your the central repository. It will done in a few seconds. Okay, actually it is a faster than there is also we have also have some apps like GitHub, but GitHub is a 10x faster than the other uh, services. Meaning you can fetch your data in your local repo from the central server in just a second. Okay. Yeah, we have a branching. Yeah. Yeah, what is GitHub also have a non-linear support. Or else, what is non-linear? It means you can develop a software which maybe which is using a different technologies or multiple languages. It support each and everything. Maybe you are doing work in a company. They are also working in a Java, Python, and a PHP. So it support that. Uh, so how it is supporting? It is supporting in the form of branching. Mean whenever your master want, it can create any branch in a second. Yes, you have to click it, and you can add a new branch, and the whole data is always available on your master branch. Okay. Just imagine some team is working on a Python code, another team is working on a Java code, so you can create a different branches for them. Okay, there is a one, 2 or 3 more features. Just like it is, you can access it from anywhere. It is faster than anything. You can upload your code. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Okay. Yeah, it's
Any
time for the
question?
hands-on. But any question?
Akshat S asks which Git is best for iOS, Windows, or Linux.
Uh, I say it is. You can use anything. If you want to use it on your Linux, you can use it. If you have a MacBook like me, you can use it. And if you're using Windows, each and everything is same. All commands are same. Even you are using a Windows, Linux, or a MacBook, it take up all say exactly same time for pushing, pulling, and everything.
Okay, we have next question
And
from Jyoti Johari. Sir, can you demonstrate how to create branch and all practically? We are going to have a live session right after this, so stay tuned for that. Another question
yeah,
is
yeah.
from Bahari. I have question. If you want to work on open source project of any company, should you ask for them or how exactly it works?
Can you repeat it?
If you want to work on open source project of any company, should you ask for them or how exactly it works?
Actually, I am not clear.
Like if you want to
Uh,
work on any open source project from any company,
okay, okay,
so
okay.
so do you need to have any permission from them or you could just join in and contribute?
Or I say in the GitHub you can see there is a lot of companies like VLC, Google also have a lot of project, and Microsoft also have a project. You can it is actually open source. You can contribute in that. You don't need a permission like that, but they also have some issues. Actually, they already have a developed software. They are already put. We are facing these issue in that software. If you want to solve it, you can clone that repository, after do it, and after that you can push it if they like it, and of course they are going to check it. If they like it, or they will merge it in the main branch.
Um, Parush Srivastav asks, is there any platform where I can contribute to the open source platform and learn along with it? Hashtag for beginners.
GitHub is the best. Yeah, if you are planning for Google Summer of Code, so there is a lot of organization in that. All organization have a open source project, and your code is available on GitHub. If you want to participate in that Google Summer of Code, and if you are planning it will, yeah, if you participate 1 month ago and you will be selected, maybe you are wrong. So what you can do, just it for GitHub or for beginner both, just see a repository which is developed in that programming language which you know. So you can yes, just like you are you are expert in GitHub, sorry, HTML, CSS, and PHP. So search a project which is using these technologies, and after that contribute in that.
Okay, so
Or
moving.
every contribution is count. Anybody can see it from your log, or I say snapshots.
So our next question is from Sayan Mondal. What is the purpose of project in GitHub?
What is the purpose of project?
Yeah.
Yeah, one more thing, you have a backup. If you are working if you are doing it solo, you have always have a backup. You can track each and every changes, like, yeah, yeah, I have a good story for that. Just imagine you have done something today 4 days ago, and after 4 days you realize you are doing everything wrong from 4 days. So there is any way to revert it? No. You are going to confuse it, what you have done 4 days ago. But in the GitHub you have a snapshot or log for that, actually what you have done 4 days ago, 3 days ago, 2 days ago, and whenever you want you can revert that from that snapshot. Okay, and if you are working in a team, then your each team partner can contribute in that. So you no need to call, hello, have you done this or not? You can each and every time, if he done, he will push it to the central library in the GitHub, so you can check it. Each snapshot have a proper description. Any question?
Right. Uh, Prabhu asks, is GitHub useful for new engineers who want to play around some code along with their friends?
Yeah, of course. It is useful for each and every person. Uh, even when there is two type of person. One is doing everything in a GitHub. Mean they maybe they created a 4-page HTML page and contribute on a GitHub. And there is one guy who is just like, I'm not going to share anything. So maybe some company come for the placement or any developer want to see your contribution. Are you good in that or not? So how will you prove that? So you better is do each and everything on GitHub, so other developer can see it. Your friends can collaborate in that, and okay.
We have a lot of questions about forking. What does fork mean?
Okay, we are going. We will tell this thing in hands-on. Okay.
All right, so moving on to hands-on session with Dev Vaghani. Until then, if you have any questions, you could just post it in the chat. We'll try to answer as many of them.
Hello. Hello. Am I
Yeah,
audible?
Yes, Dev, you're audible.
Kunal. Yeah, Kunal, before we start, I would like to say that Ravi is like very experienced person. He has worked with Google. So if you have any queries, just ping him. He's in Discord also. Yeah. Thank you guys. Yeah, Dev, you can continue. Yeah.
Yeah. From Dev, are you there?
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah. All is yours.
Okay. Thank you. So, guys, how are you? Are you enjoying the session?
Enjoying the session so far?
Okay. So, thank you, Ravi, for wonderful explanation of Git. Okay. So, guys, now we are going for the hands-on session. Before it, I want to clarify you some terminology of Git, like Git repository, Git init, and its command and its uses. After that, we will go for the exercise, right? So let's become familiar with what Git is. Git is one of the most popular version control system. So wait, what is version control system? When you work on a project, you usually save a different version of. In other words, you make backup in just case something goes wrong. Let's suppose you are working on 10 gigabytes project and you need to make a backup. So most likely you will make an archive of the working folder and you will need information about who did this backup and when for this folder, right? So because of this, your project will not be 10 gigabytes only. Size will be increased and it nearly will be 10 gigabytes. 10 gigabytes for working folder and 10 gigabytes for archive. So each time you save new backup, you will add 10 gigabytes. After some period of time, you might not have enough space on your disk. Even if the difference aren't big between your current version and the backup session version. Um, it still backups the entire 10 gigabytes. So to avoid situation, version control system were created. And with the help of version control system, we say only changes that were made instead of the whole project. Git is simply a project that helps organize your backups in convenient way, right? So let's try to understand how Git actually works. Git divides your working folder into the couples of areas. The first one is working directory. It also called on-stage area. Okay, and in this area you can add, delete, update in the file, but these changes won't save in the backup. The second stage is called staging area. Git, in this area Git keeps the track of all the information in this area. If you make any changes in your folder or file in this area, Git will make a backup. So if you are working on a project and you make some changes and want Git to see these changes and back them up, you need to transfer this file from working directory to staging area. And you have to write some special command to do so, like git add we'll see in a few minutes. Okay, and third stage is called Git directory or repository. This is the folder where all the change you make and backup are stored. For the changes, you need to again write a special command to tell Git backup all, like Git commit. Okay, so in a Git, next topic comes into picture that if you update your repository and you don't like the changes you have made, and if you want to come back in your previous version, it's called in Git terminology is backtracking. When working on a Git project, sometimes we make changes that we want to get rid of. Git offers few eraser like features that allows us to undo mistake during the project creation. Okay, we'll see all these commands and theory in few minutes on hands-on session. And next topic is a Git branch. Git allows us to create branches to experiment with a version of project. Imagine you want to create a version of story with happy ending. You create a new branch and make the happy ending changes to branch only. It will not it will have no effect on the master branch until you are ready to merge the happy ending to the master branch. New branch is different version of Git project. It contains all the commits and changes from master, but it also has a commits that master does not have. I hope all of have some idea of and what Git is and its feature, how it works. Now let's use this on command practically. Okay, I'm sharing you with you command that are covered in today's session, and a moderator will drop a link in chat section from where you can access all the commands. Okay. So let first, before going for practical, let's understand every command carefully. So our very first command is here is git init. Init stands for the initialization. If you want to convert your working directory into the Git repository, which saves only the changes, not of all take all backups of your folder, then you have to compulsory write the git init. And in other words, that you can believe that out of this repository you can not use any of this command if you haven't initialized your local directory with git init. And working git status, git inspect the content of working directory and send, and like when we are working on the folder and changing some files and everything does, and if we want to see that what we have changed, so we have to write this git status. Okay. And
Yeah, hi Dev. Can you just
yeah,
zoom into your this notepad? Like this is not
okay,
clear much. Yeah, can you just zoom? Yeah,
okay,
cool,
perfect
cool,
now.
cool.
Okay.
Yeah, can you just zoom some more? Zoom some more. I guess this will be more clear to everyone. Yeah, that's cool. That's
Okay.
cool. That's cool. Yeah.
Okay. Now next command is git add. This git command will add all the files from your working directory to the staging area. Okay, where git can track all the changes you have done so far. Okay, and next command is git difference. It will show the difference in individual files you have done so far. We'll see this command in also in few minutes. And after, at the end of everything, if you want to backup or finally update your file, so you have to write git commit and hyphen m and string. Hyphen m is stand for the message you want to save with this git commit. Okay, and if we want to the all the details, uh, every details of your commit, then you have to write git log. Till now, anyone have any query? Just
Okay,
let me.
so people are asking what is staging area.
Okay, okay. So in staging area, Git can come to know that what we are changing. Okay, Okay, if we want to undo any changes, then if we haven't add the file in the staging area, then it is unable to undo the changes. Okay, am I clear? Any other question? Hello.
Can you please explain get log? Prabhu asked.
Okay, git log means after if you write git log in a command line, it will give all the details of your git commit with the SHA key, which is mentioned by Ravi. Okay, it is a key assigned to every commit with unique value. So we can differentize every commit from each other. Okay, and it is also used for better visualization and a better backtracking. We will see in the few minutes, just wait. And any other question?
Abid Ali asks, can you please provide some more clarification about the working directory and the staging area?
Okay, I have explained, but let me I will explain in a practical, just wait. Okay, any other question other than that?
Parush asks, is get log p and get log different? So that's with the
Sorry,
parameter p
sorry.
passed with it. So get log with dash p parameter and get log. The commands, are they different?
Okay, git parameter /n git log. So with parameter n, you can limitize the output of the git log with parameter n. Okay.
Okay, so all of our questions are related to the practical aspects of it. So you could just continue with
Okay.
it.
Okay. So now comes into the next topic is how to backtrack. So suppose you have okay, I have already explained the theory. Let's uh, come with the command git checkout head file name. Okay, this command helps in the undo the changing in the working directory, and it's undo the changing till the last commit of the file. Okay, you will get better into practical all of this. Okay, let me start the practical. Okay, from now. Okay, so all of you are requested to do practical parallelly with me, so you can get it better. Okay, let me know if you want to do practical or parallelly or not.
Would you like to do the
Take
practicals parallelly? Can I have some answers in the chat? Okay, so people are saying just wait for a moment. They would like to join you.
okay, so are they going for parallelly, right?
Yeah, they are. They just want some time.
Okay,
Why? Until then, you could set up your system.
okay, nice. Just Kunal, let me know when all the participants are ready. Okay.
Okay. So, guys, you could just post ready in the chat when you're ready. All right. So we could know you are ready. So people are asking what should they open? Should they open Git Bash?
Yeah, it's completely fine, totally fine. Git best. No issue regarding that.
People are asking what are they supposed to do for the parallel session?
Sorry.
What should they do if they want to work with you
Okay,
parallelly?
just after writing the what I have done in this live session, they have to just practically in his laptop or PC, so that getting practical and they can remember it better and okay for a long time.
I see a lot of people are ready, so shall we go?
Yeah. Okay, so guys, I am not using the git base. I am using the just command prompt. So okay, you can use git base. There is no issue regarding that.
Okay,
Okay.
people are asking,
So
should they install something on the system? I think they
no.
don't have the Git system on them.
As per my knowledge, there is no need to install Git in Windows. I don't know about other system. If they haven't installed, they just watch. Okay, don't waste time in installation. Okay, it's totally fine. Okay, shall I start?
Yeah, you could continue.
Okay. So guys, just create a new folder. Just give whatever you like to, like MSP. Okay, and create new file, text file. I am just simplicity. I am
Dev,
creating
is
text
your
file.
screen visible? Is your screen visible? Just check with this once.
Okay.
Yeah, your screen might not be visible right now.
Dave, you need to share your desktop instead of the notepad.
Yeah.
Okay. So sorry for that. Let me share mine. Okay. Okay. Now you can see it.
Uh, it's just loading. Yeah, cool. Awesome.
Okay. So let me start from beginning. So guys, you all just need to create one folder. Give name whatever you like, and I'm for sake of simplicity, I'm creating text file. Okay. Demo. Then write anything in this. Hello world. Save it. Now you can you are in git base, so you have to right click and git base here, but I am using command prompt, so I have to write this one and I have to give path to this directory. So okay, now we are in a working directory called MSP. Okay, all you have done so far, Kunal, let me know the response of the audience.
Um, they're all fine. You could just go. Wait.
Okay,
Okay.
so we are converting this working directory to git directory with only this command. Okay, git init. See, initialize empty directory. It's okay,
Dave,
but
Okay,
can you
there is
Dave.
some
can you please zoom in or just increase the font size?
wait, it is not possible. Let me use magnifier.
Yeah, I was going to say exactly that.
Okay, see, is it visible now?
Yeah, it's visible. Yeah,
Okay,
better.
so after using this command git init, it is prompt out that initialize with empty git repository. Okay, and if we open this directory, there is nothing. If you click on view, okay, perfect. Okay. If you click on view and click on hidden items here, you will see that there's one folder is created dot with name of dot git. Okay, so here you see that different files on all. Wait, so what is this for? This stores all the information of like a commit and change all of we have done so far. If you miss or delete this file, all the information of your changes will be lost. So be careful regarding that, guys. Okay. um, so let's go with our next command. Let me start with git status. It will give you a status about our repository. Okay, git status. Okay, see here no commits yet. Okay, and it is demo is in red color. It is showing us that we have modified demo.txt file, but we have it is convert in or level up in the stage area. Okay, to do so we have to write add demo.txt. Okay, it will be added into staging area now. Again we write git status.
Dev, can you please be a little bit slower? People are falling back.
Okay, no issue. I am stopping here. Let me know when all are ready.
Okay, so people are asking, can you just quickly recap what you did from the creating new document?
Yeah, like can you just recap with all the steps you did till now?
Okay. Let me let me again start with another folder. So all of them get okay. Can I close my of now as of now? I think it is not needed in these parts. That's why. Okay. So all of you just give concentration. Create new folder. Give name whatever you like. Okay. Give name whatever you like. Like I am leaving this name testing. Okay. I already have testing. So demo 2. Okay. All are up with this part. Kunal.
Okay, so people are saying get is not recognized as an internal or external command. What should they do about it?
For that you have to set it as a global environment. I have let me show you system variable. As in system variable you have to set git as a global variable. uh,
Do they need to install Git as well?
okay, let's this I'm not aware about. Okay, give it short, man. Please tell them download if their system is not capable. I think they are needed to download it. Okay.
Okay,
Himanshu and Kunal,
Dev,
okay, what is that?
I think for the ease of our audience, can you
Okay,
please just download Git Bash and tell them how to install it?
Yeah, just open one tab, type git bash, git bash, and you can just download the file for Windows or Mac or any platform. And once you need to install it, during the installation, you will be asked certain steps. Just check all of those. You'll get into this global environment, and then there will be no issues. Okay. So just open a new tab, download Git Bash, and then after downloading Git Bash, yeah, Kunal, can you just take it to like show how to download Git Bash and
Yeah,
install?
sure. I'll just show my screen to them. So like if you search git bash, you'll find git for Windows. So there are a lot of clients you could install. You could just pick the top one if you want. So you just need to download this from here. It's around 44 MB, 45 MB, so I don't think that would be a problem for you. So after download, you just launch the installer. You press yes for the permission. Next, keep it the default path. Keep everything here just default. Don't change anything over here. Like if you want, you could just check daily git for Windows updates and stuff. But that won't be a problem. You just keep pressing next. So here you would need to select editor. So like if you have Vim installed on your system, Notepad++, Visual Studio, if you don't have anything, you could just keep the default. Don't change anything over here. All right. So if you want to use the git from the command line, just select over here. So this is the recommended one. Keep it default. Press next. Keep it default. Press next. Keep everything default. So once it's installed, you just check the launch git bash. Next. So you have the git terminal over here. So I'll just press any command just to check if it's there or not. So I entered git. So from this I know that yes, my git is working. So this is the help page of for the git. You'll find all the commands over here with their descriptions as well. So once you are done with this, just enter ready in the chat section. So Dave can continue with his session. Any questions? Okay, so I see at least four, five people ready already. So we'll just move to Dev.
Shall I go?
Take me.
Okay, perfect. Is it okay now?
Yeah, it's perfect. Yeah, people are ready.
So should I go with git add command, or audience wants from scratch, from
So
creating a folder?
people want it from the scratch. Can you just continue continue everything from the command line?
Okay, so guys, create a folder, give whatever name you like, in which now create any file. Okay, I am simplicity, I am creating text file. I'm giving name msp. Okay, adding text anything, like I'm giving it here any digit. Okay, save it, close it. Now open another terminal. Let's close it. Open another terminal. Okay. I think I need a magnifier here, right?
Yeah, it's perfect.
So now, from here, let's give our path to our directory, like cd desktop and our folder name. I've just forgot. Cd demo 2. Okay, we have done so far. And in there is one another option is, if the people who are using git base, they directly open git base from here. Right click and git base here. Okay. This will directly open the command line from this directory only. Okay. Kunal, all audience are up.
Yes, we have the audience with us. I don't think the
So guys, let's convert this working directory in this git repository with this command git init. You will get this output, initialize empty directory, and if you see the directory demo2, here I have already selected option, show hidden icon. That's why you are seeing this folder .git. This folder contains all the information of your changes, commits, every detailed thing. So if you delete or if you changes anything in this file or folder, you are going to lose everything in this repository. Okay, so let's go for our next command, and let's check the status of the git repository. Here msp.txt, it is showing in red color. It is showing that it is in working data is stored in a working directory. We have to transfer this data from a working directory to stage area. So it after we stage when we come into stage area, it turns out to green area. For transferring working directory to stage area, we use this command git add, then the file name. Here in our case it is git msp.txt. Okay, it is add in now stage area. Let's cross verify it. Git status. See, this is converted in green area. It is means that it is in now stage area. Now the last thing is we have to commit this thing, and it means that we are backing up and updating finally. So its command is git commit -m and your message, like in our case I'm writing commit 1. Okay, you will see the one file change, one insertion, create more msp.txt. Now see git status, nothing to commit. And you can use this command also, -m, and this m also work, am. Okay, for your knowledge. And I want to also let you know that there are some attributes with this command git add. Okay, let me create another file, some more file, like
Dev, can you please be a little slower so that people can catch up with you?
okay, sure, let me know where they are ready. Any question, guys?
Shreya, do you have any questions? And when you are ready, please just tell us. Okay, so
No.
Preeti asked, she did the git init command, but it did not create any folder in her directory.
Sorry, I didn't get it. Can you repeat?
Shreya did the git init command, but nothing got created in her folder.
Oh, that's why. That's what I'm saying. See, there will be no change in your regardless if you change some option. See, in my folder there is no change. See, if you select this
Dave, a
option
guy is
only.
getting a fatal error.
Sorry.
So Gokulam is getting a fatal error. Gokul, can you please tell us more about it? Okay, so Gokul says the path spec azure.txt did not match any files. I think Gokul, you have mismatched the path name or the file name in your git command. So
Exactly.
can you please recheck the directory and the file name in your command? People are saying they cannot use git add command.
What ad they are getting? What error?
Guys, can you please link your error messages so that we can troubleshoot your problem? Akshat says unable to auto detect email address. I am getting this error.
Yeah. You have to configure your Git with your email ID and a name. There is a special command for Git configuration.
Can you please show them how to configure the Git?
Okay. Let me see. I have to also search the whole command. I didn't remember the syntax. Okay. Let me close memory file first. Yeah, this is the syntax, guys. Can you able to see this? Hello.
Um, can you please just copy it in a new notepad window so that they can see the whole command at once?
Okay. Guys, are you able to see this?
Okay, so
You have to replace this part with your email ID and press enter.
Can you run that and show them how it would work?
Okay, but I have already configured, so it will doesn't make sense. And this is, let me try again. Yes. Okay, see this.
Can you please zoom in?
Okay, wait. Okay, see this.
Are you guys with us? Is it working? Okay, Parash asks, why configuration is required for some people?
Yeah, nice question. So, if any one person commit and change, so Git is required to take note down that which person is changing in the file. It is more important in the organization. Like many person are working in different projects, and so how anyone come to know that which person have developed this feature, and this will also show in git log command. Okay, but we have committed. Okay, let me show git log. See, this will be prompt out in this one, the name of and the email id. So from this we come to know that this commit is done by this person and his email id is this. Okay, am I clear with this? So can I go ahead, Kunal? I think we are running out of time, I
Yeah,
guess.
you could continue.
Okay, so I have created two other files, one.txt and two.txt in demo2 folder. Let's check the status of our repository. See, these two files are added in local directory. If we want to add this file into staging area with one line, okay, otherwise you have to, what you have to do is git add one.txt, again enter, git add two.txt. Rather than this, you can do this in one line with space separated, git one.txt and two.txt. And one another command is, if you want to add all the files in the local directory to stage area, simply you have to write git add dot. Okay.
Dev, can you please be a bit louder?
Okay. This everyone got this part, guys?
Is everyone with us? Can I see some yeses in the chat? Okay, they are with us.
Okay, perfect. So, so I'm mainly working on this. You know, let me close this. Okay, so now we are again going to commit second commit in msp.txt. Okay, let me open this msp.txt and let me write how are you, save it. I think all of you are now aware about how to proceed for the commit. Okay, let's do it by yourself and let me know if you face any issue.
Can you please zoom in and better?
See guys, it is showing that uh, commit is successful about the git every
Dev, I
commit.
think you are cutting up a bit. Can you please repeat your last line?
Okay, so we have done a second commit with this command git commits -m and in string commit to, and we have prompted this output, which means we have successfully done commit. And now if you want the details of the every commit, you have to write this command git log and press enter. This is latest commit and previous commit is here. Okay.
All right. We have one question from Piyush Gupta. He asked, your current branch master does not have commits here.
Sorry.
Your current branch master does not have any commits yet.
Current branch. I haven't.
Dave,
I'm not
sorry,
getting.
Piyush, I think you have to push some of your commits, make some changes, make some commits in your file. After that, I think you won't see that error.
Exactly. So let's see. Okay. One more command is let me show you. Again. Uh, uh, do some changes. Like I'm fine. Total. Okay. Yeah. Wait. Okay. So I'm okay. This status and msp.txt is modified, but it is not added in stage area. Now let's add it to stage area. Now it is added. Give status. Okay. Now in stage area, so Git can take care of what we are changing. Okay. So again write like okay. Again this change is done in stage area. Remember that. Just save it, and with using this command git diff, you will see the difference between the file in the local directory and the change made in the stage area. Git space diff space uh, file name. I'm fine totally is done in a local local level, and okay is done in stage area. Okay, so that's it. Now I think next commands are backtracking. Okay, let me see what are they I need to cover. Okay,
If people would like to
so
know, is there any git command which can backtrack the changes? So like
sorry, so
if they have to undo
your
some changes in their files, how can they do
Kunal,
it?
your voice is not good, man. It's not coming properly. Yeah, perfect.
Okay, so people are asking if they want to undo some changes in their files, how can they do it?
Guys, just wait. Here our next topic is already come. Backtrack. in a git undo, it is called backtracking. Okay, suppose you are working on important thing. Okay, in this file you have saved some important things. Okay, this is right now it's your important thing, and due to some reason you leave this thing as it is, and you start doing in other thing. While then some fellow delete all the file, all the data of this file, and save it. Okay, and if we open, there is blank, man, nothing is here. So how we can undo this changing at local level? Okay, so for it we use git. For doing so, for undoing, we use git checkout head, capital head, and the file name. In our case it is msp. You can change with your file name. Okay, so see this, and let me minimize and see this. All the changes are back. All the changes are back. So guys, have you get to my point? Let me know if you have any doubts. Kunal, should I go ahead?
I'm just looking for some. Okay, so yeah, you could just continue.
Okay, no issue. So second command was what we have to all the changes. Let me show you. Okay, okay. Let me show you git log. We have done 2 commits. Okay, if we want, right now we are in latest commit. If you want to jump through one commit to second commit or any other commit, you have to write this command only, and that's it. Git reset, and you have to copy this SHA keys first 7 character. Okay, 1 3 nice. Copy it and then paste it. Wait, glitches here. 3 and
Dev, in your git checkout head command,
wait.
Parush Srivastav is asking what is the significance of the head in that.
Okay. Um, I haven't have any PPT. Let me open my MS Paint. Okay. Hope you like it. So, listen, guys, carefully. Uh, when you commit anything in your form, Kunal, I am getting noise from your side. Can you just? Okay. Still, I am getting noise. Okay, perfect. So when you guys make any commit or make any backup, this is your first commit. Think that this is your first commit, and so when you commit, your head will be here. Okay, let me edge. Okay, your head will be here. Now when you do your second commit, okay, this is your first commit, and this is related. It's like a linked list. Okay, in data structure, if you recall it and relate it with, yeah. Okay, if you do second commit, then head will be here. Okay, so head will be pointing here. So when we are use git reset command, what it basically do is git reset command will be simply tell head that just point head to a specific commit. That's why we are using its SSH keys first 7 character, so that his head can get it better. So after using git reset, its head will be pointing to the, not this one, but pointing to this one. Okay, not this one, not okay. Have you got it? Kunal, let me know now.
Is everyone with us? Can I see some yeses in the chat so that we could know, yes, you are with us?
Okay, so I think I should go with first the go ahead.
All right, yeah, people are with us. You could just continue.
Okay, okay. Guys, in my case, something is glitch here. But I'm pretty sure that this will work in your computer. Just copy the first 7 character of this SHA key and write this command: git space reset space this first space the first 7 character. It will be reset all the things to the specific commit which we have done so far. Okay, let me know.
Yeah, Dev. Yeah, Dev. Can you just zoom it? Can you just zoom it?
Sure, man.
Yeah, man.
So guys, what I'm saying that due to some issue I'm not getting a specific output, but what I'm saying is just copy this your last whatever commits you have done, and here your head is pointing to this master. Okay, this commit. If you want to pointing to this commit, you have to copy first 7 character of this SHA key. Okay, copy it now in command line, paste this command: git space reset and space this first 7 character. Okay, it will be undo all the changes, and it will be come into this commit part. Okay, let me know if you have any problem.
Is everyone with us? Does anyone have any questions? Yes, reset is working for them, Dave.
Okay, no issue. So I'm clear with the backtracking. So now
Okay,
choose
some people are saying unstaged changes after reset.
on stage changes. It's totally fine. Did they getting capital M in this output? Let me know. Guys, are you getting capital M in the output after writing this command git reset?
Yes, they are. All right, it's all
Yeah.
fine.
So okay. So now just write git checkout head, and your file name you have to reset it. Okay. So it will come into the this commits position, like you have saved in this commit. Okay. Okay. I hope I am clear with this backtracking part. Okay, now the most important parts comes of GitHub, and it is, and I closed the terminal by mistake. No issue. Okay, now most important part is Git branching. Okay, in organization, many people working on same project, but they are working on different features. So how they are working? Let me show you. Okay. So guys, I have to change it. Okay, so first of all, I will give the information, right? How you can see how many branch is there in your repository. For seeing your you are in which branch and how many branch and its name, we have to write simply one command: git branch. Another that there. Okay. In our case, we have only one branch. Its name is master, and it is in green color, which means we are in this branch. Okay, let me add another branch. For adding another other branch, you have to write git branch and space the branch of the name. Okay, like branch 1. So there is some rule and the naming of the branch. You can do not give name in space separated, like do not branch space like anything, you will get error. See, but you can give it name like, you know, uh, slash or hyphen. Let me give this name. Okay, now let's check how many branch we have. Okay, so see, new branch is created, name branch 1. Still we are in master branch. Okay guys, all are up with this. Let me know if you have an issue with branching. Manso, Kunal, participants have any doubts?
I think they don't have any issues. You could just continue.
Okay, so now we are go with another command. Now suppose you want to change your branch. How you can do it? From master to branch one. Let's do it. For doing so, we have to write git checkout. Check out and the branch name. In our case, branch 1. Replace this name with your branch name, whatever you have given in your repository, and press enter. See this prompt output: switch to branch 1. Now see git branch. Branch 1 will be in green color. See we are in our present branches, branch 1. Okay, so now let's do some changes in our this branch. Okay, so let me close magnifier. Okay, till then let me know any doubts you have. If
People
you
would
have.
like to know about branching a bit more. Like, what is the branch? Can you just please explain that quickly?
Okay. No issue regarding that. Okay, so guys, we are in right now in branch 1. Let me open MSP. See, let me edit this file and write anything. Open. Okay, open branch or save it. Okay, and let me commit it. Okay, let me add into the stage area. Git add. Let me use magnifier again. See, in I am right now in branch 1. I have done some change in msp.txt and I have add all the files in the stage area. Let me do commit. Okay, git commit name and your message. Commit in branch 1. See, okay, press enter. This commit has done. Okay, totally fine. So now uh, you have done this commit. Now if you open this MSP, it is showing as usual open branch. Now if I change the branch, like right now our branch is branch 1. Now check out the branch to master 1. Git check out master. Okay, now switch to master. Let's again open the file msc. See the difference in both the branch. We have some different data. Are you getting? Let me know if you have any doubt regarding branch.
Is the branch clear to you all? Can I see some yeses in the chat? All right, they're fine with it. You could continue.
Okay, so we have changed branch 1. Do some changes in branch 1. If you have if we want that branch this change in master, so we have to merge it in master branch. So this right, it is given that you have to compulsory in the master branch. Okay, let cross verify it on the branch. Okay, we are already in master, so write this command merge and the branch name. In our case branch 1, in your case write change with your branch name, press enter. See this one updating and all this stuff. Let me open file, open branch. Did you get it, guys, what I'm saying? See, this all changes is completely come into the master. Okay, it's totally merged.
Yep, no problem.
Okay, so let me do one commit one commit. Let me add. Okay, so now if you want to delete branch of C, we have two branch. If you want to delete branch 1, you have to write this command git branch -d branch name, right? So let's do it. Git branch name. In my case it is branch 1. So we got successful out with deleted branch 1. Let's cross verify git branch. Okay, now we have only one branch, and there is one catch here. Okay, see, let me uh, let me make one branch, git branch any name like msp impact. Okay, so enter. New branch has been created. Let me show you. So if you want to delete this branch without merging with which means if you haven't merged new branch into master, and if you still want to delete that branch, let me try the old command. Okay, msp impact. Okay, this branch is deleted. And if you are getting any error in deleting a branch, just replace small d with capital D. Okay, that's it. So guys, today we have covered this many of command. So guys, are you ready with one exercise on Progate, or you are bored? So can we start Kahoot? If you are interested, then we can take one exercise on Progate. Let me know.
Dave.
Yeah.
Hello, Dave. Yeah, I am planning to teach GitHub pages. So
Yeah,
how they can host it. Yeah, my laptop is ready. If you want, I can take it.
Yeah, that
Yes,
would be
sure.
great.
No,
We could teach people how to host a website using GitHub.
yeah. So
Hello,
at
guys.
the
Do you
end,
want to know how to host your?
let me close my screen. Stage is yours, Ravi. Good luck.
Thank you, Dave, for the
Thank you.
amazing session.
Thank you. My pleasure. And if you have any doubts, let me know. Okay.
Hello, guys. How are you? Do you want to know how you can host your HTML CSS website on GitHub in free?
Jyoti, yes, we are going to do it on GitHub. It will be an online project.
Yeah, it is an online project. Okay, let's start. Okay. Share. Desktop. Dave, my desktop is coming or not? Can you tell me?
Yeah, it's visible. Yeah, it's visible. Can you just zoom in somewhat? Yeah, we just need to zoom in.
Okay.
Yeah, we are just loading with everything with the magnifier. We will be just resuming right in just. Yeah,
Hold
is
tight,
it cool?
everyone. While Ravi is ready, you could ask any questions if you have.
Yeah, Junaid, the screen is off because we are just getting ready with the magnifier and everything. Yeah,
Yeah, I
Yogesh, the
don't
only
have
logo is showing.
don't have a magnifier, so but I zoom the tab size so everyone can see.
Yeah, you can just pinch in. You can just zoom using pinch.
Acha. Okay. Can you project my screen? Oh, okay. So just open github.com or you can see it because YouTube video is recorded later. You can see it. Okay. Open GitHub and you have to sign in, enter your username and password. When you are on home screen, so just create a one repository. I'm giving a name Git Azure. Okay. Yeah, I want to make it private. Sorry, public. Okay. Then okay, I created a one repository and in a few seconds repository will be created. Okay, my Git Azure repository is created. Now I have to create a one HTML file here. So guys, when you open any website and that home page will open. So how that server will know which page I am going to open it. So for that, we have to rename our home page with index.html or index.php. That index file will be our home page. Okay. Yeah, create a new file. Index.html. Oh, just I am adding a heading. H1. Hello, Azure. Hey, okay, I have to commit it. File 1. So I have one file index.html. In that I just added what I added? Heading. So after that I have to go to the setting. You can see it, setting. Just click there. Click on setting. After that, scroll down in options. Okay, check it. Options. Scroll down. There is a one option GitHub pages. Okay, you can see it. Click on master branch. Okay, actually I have a one branch in this repository, so click on master branch. If I have a multiple branch there, so it will show I have a multiple branch like master and other. Okay, so I got a one link. On that link my site is ready. Okay, when I click it, oh hello Azure Days, yeah, working. Okay, okay, that's it. I'm going to add one more heading. Okay, edit. Okay, after, okay, then I have to update index. Okay,
People have doubt,
updated.
is GitHub Pages free for lifetime?
Yeah, it's free for lifetime, but there is a one problem. You can only host your HTML, CSS, and JavaScript website, but you can create APIs from other server and you can connect with it. Okay, you no need to pay hosting charge on other places. Okay, if you have a basic site, you can host there. Or if it is a complex, so you can use APIs for that. Okay. Now my heading 2 is done. So yeah, there is a one more thing. If I want to add my custom domain, just like if I have a abcd.com, so how we can connect it? Okay. Okay, go to the setting again. Then on the GitHub pages, you can see custom domain. Here I have to write my domain name. After saving a domain name, save it, and they will give you a IP address, or I say to server link. You have to copy and paste it into your DNS, domain name server. from where you are buying that domain. And if you have a student tag, you can buy some free domains also. I think .cc. Okay. If you have any doubt, you can ask.
People are asking if PHP is included.
No, PHP is not included in that. Actually, it is just HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. And if you want to make it a responsive, mean you want to fetch data from the database, so you can use the Google Firebase for that. You can connect it with JavaScript, or you can write a JavaScript API or host, but you have to take a server again. Okay, that's a
Nandika Sharma asks if another person wants to add a CSS file, will it be modified in the web page?
Yes. Okay. I can do it. Okay, adding new file. As okay, better is if I do directly. Okay, I am doing inline CSS. Edit. For that. Okay, I will make it better. And will it work? I yes. Yes, anybody can add CSS, JavaScript, and together you can work in that project to mean you are 2-3 people and host website like that, and together you can work it. Okay. If you still have any doubt in Azure Pages, how you can host your website or another, you can ask.
Jyoti asks, can React.js be included?
No. For running React, we need a particular environment for that. Yeah, there is some features we can add. You can read it on GitHub Pages website, how much things they supported. Actually, there is one CSS library also they accept. Oh, I found the error actually. Okay, leave it. And here you can see there is 3 commits. It means 3 times I commit this file, and I have a snapshot of all these. In first I added file 1, after that I update index, again I update index, and here is my hash. You can see on the right side, it is my hash, which is converted by SHA1 algorithm. It is a hashing technique algorithm methods. Okay. It is also very secure because it is used by lot of secret agencies, so don't worry about that. Your data will be stealed or anyone can hack it. Okay. Guys, do you want to know about GitHub Desktop? If yes, just write in the comment GitHub Desktop. It is the GUI version of Git, so you can do each and everything from GUI.
People
like
are
pull,
saying yes,
push,
they would
create
like
file.
to know about that.
Okay, that's cool. Okay, I have set up. Okay, so download. Okay. That's okay. GitHub Desktop. There is a website desktop.github.com from where you can download that setup file of GitHub desktop. Okay, download it and install it. It's really too easy. After that, log in it with your GitHub username and password. After that, your screen will come just like that. Yeah, like that. Okay. Okay. So I already have a one repo, which is name is uh, yeah, yeah. What is my repo name? Git Azure. Git Azure. Hold a second. Yeah, I have to add it. Okay. Clone repository. Hmm. I think account is same. Okay, I'm cloning my repo. Paste the URL and clone. Okay, if you have any repository online, you can clone it with on the left side. You can see there is a one add button. You can create a clone repository. You can create a repository from this UI, and you can add any exist repository. Okay, I clone the Git Azure. Okay, so I can see the file. Yeah, if I click on the history, I can see that log again. Okay, and here I just added these code. You can see it. How can I zoom it? I think not possible. Okay, now later I add this, and after that this. Okay, so where I can see that code. GitHub, Git Azure. I have an index file, so I will open it in Sublime Text. Okay, it is loaded. Cool. So I added a title. Okay, I'm going to add a one more heading here. GitHub desktop is connected. Okay. Oh, when I click on Control S, when I save it, and I can see in my GUI version, I have added my file, and here is my, so I can commit it. So here, update fourth, it's my fourth update, commit. After commit, I have to push to the my origin. Now I am uploading the data from local repository to the central server. Okay, data is uploaded. Fetch origin last few seconds ago. Okay, I will refresh this page. You can see 4 commits. Yeah, 4 commits is there. Yeah, okay. Yeah, it's updated. Okay. So we have one task for you. Create your we will just you have to create your repository and do 5 commits. Make a one HTML and CSS file and make 5 commits. Okay, mean you have to update the data 5 times. Okay, and we will send you a form with together with certificates, and after the half hour, when session will be finished, after half hour, we will send you certificates email. In that email, we will add the form link. So add your GitHub link and your name and your email ID. Okay, and after that, we will random it, and one winner will get something.
Okay, guys, also about the certificates, many of you were saying that they have not received their certificate. So about that, I would like you all to check their spam folders. It might be in there. So every one of you who has not yet received the certificate, please check your spam folders.
Okay, if anybody have still any doubt, you can ask me.
Are there any doubts? Jyoti Johari asked how to pull requests on a company project which are available on the GitHub and how to contribute in that project.
Yeah, for that you have to clone that repository in your own repo, just like if I have any. Okay, firstly you have to clone that repository. After that, make some changes and upload it. Okay, just like you are doing commit. After that, there is one option come create a pull request. After that, creating a pull request, you can yeah, of course you can commit it, and after that, that owner will check that that your changes, and after that, if he like it or if it is correct, they will merge in their main branch. Okay, if you want session on these, we can go for it on another day. If I go today, it take a 1 more hour because I have to create each and everything. I don't have any.
Abhishek Hatkar asked how to create a new repository from Git desktop and share it on the main server.
Okay, okay. Okay. On the left hand side, you can see there is a one click. There is a one add option. There is a on the side in that add there is a second option, create a new repository. Click on it. Give a repository name. Get Azure Day 2. Azure Day 2. Okay. Day 2 added library. Okay, get ignore, leave it. There is a license. If you don't, if you know about that, you can go for MIT and JNU license or Apache license. If you don't know about that, then we can discuss about on the license on another day. You can, if you leave it, it's okay. Then click on create repository. Okay. No, I don't want this code private. Okay. After that, publish that repository. Okay, done. Now I can check on website. Yeah, get Azure Day 2 added, updated to 20 seconds ago. Yeah, you can see 41 seconds ago it uploaded. If you have still any doubt, you can ask. Yeah, I got. I know you are for. I am talking about it is storing in my local system also. So here it is. I already have a one folder which name is GitHub, and my all repositories are available in my local system. Whenever I want to make a change, just like where is Azure Day2 repository is there. If I add any file, should I add Control Shift S? Okay, I am adding the same file in Azure Day 2. Yeah, you can see in Azure Day 2 we have an index.html. Now I can click on that. One new file added. Okay, added HTML file. After that, I will commit to the master, and after that, push origin. Yeah, now here what you are doing, you are pushing each and everything from your own system to the master, or I say to the server. If your another friend will make some changes on patch origin, you can see there is some changes in the server. You can pull it. Okay, when you click it, all the changes in your local system too. Okay, I can change. I can let's see if it is available. Yeah, yeah, you can see there. Four changes there. It's saying pull the origin. Yeah, you can see there, pull origin. It means one of my friend or developer, he made it of 4 commits. So if I want to make the changes in my local repository, so I can pull this origin. Okay, after that, the same changes will be done in my local repository. Okay, if you have any doubt, you can ask.
Can I see some doubts? I don't think there are any doubts.
Okay, okay. And if you want, here is my social media links. You can go for it.
All right,
Okay.
so I think it's time for some activity.
But yeah, you can take a screenshot or click a photo. Okay, you can ask your any doubt on Instagram. Okay, or on Twitter. Okay. Okay, Kunal, are you ready
All
with
right,
quiz?
Ravikant, thank you for the amazing session. So now for some fun activity. I think you're drained out, I guess. Can I have some response in the
Hello.
chat?
Guys, I thought of telling you something about tomorrow's event. So we have planned one event with the name of Microsoft Azure, uh, introduction to Microsoft Azure and deployment of website in Microsoft Azure, right? So we'll be teaching you how Microsoft Azure works, how cloud computing works, and we'll be gifting you one website. So make sure you get Azure codes. If you don't have, we'll help you out in getting it. And yeah, so make sure you join the session to get your own website and to know cloud computing, depth of cloud computing. So yeah, so tune in to our channel tomorrow at 10 o'clock. Thank you.
Yeah, Rohan, are you up with the quiz, Kahoot quiz?
Yeah, okay.
Rohan?
Am I audible? Yeah, am I audible?
Yeah, you are audible right now.
Okay. So enough of this talking. Thank you everyone for bearing with us for such a long time. So I hope all of you must have got something from this session. And if you are bored, we are extremely not sorry for this. We had to do this anyhow. So I'll show you something on the screen. It's a Kahoot quiz. I'll just present it now.
Okay, guys, so you can see the Kahoot link in the screen.
So these are the two links. Either you can go on to the bit link which is present, or you can go on to kahoot.it and enter the game pin. So we'll be starting this way. I'll set a timer on my screen for 20 minutes. Everyone must log in and reply me in the chat box that you're ready with your quiz. All of you will have the quiz is of 13 minutes. It has 13 questions in it. So you can answer it. Each question is of 60 seconds and it's totally on Git and GitHub. So that there will be a timer running on my screen for 20 minutes. Okay. So that everyone can finish it up and we'll announce the results at the end of the session. So is everyone ready? Just put it in the chat box, please.
I would like for you all to use your real name as the Kahoot so we can identify the winner easily.
Yeah.
Please use your real name in the Kahoot. We will be waiting for you all. Please post ready in the chat if you are ready so we can know. Tane, people are asking, should we press go?
Hold on for a second. I'll just put on the timer on the screen. Is everyone ready? Yeah, cool.
Yeah, I think they are ready.
I'll do it.
Kunal, can we have the Kahoot link on this screen? Okay, yeah, Rohin is doing, right?
I have spammed it in the chat. You could just check the link over there.
Yeah. Otherwise, I was just thinking to put something on screen and we can have a Kahoot link on browser or something. What do you say?
Sure. I'll just put it on the main screen.
Yeah.
Okay, everyone, I think the link is up on the screen. It's on the chat as well.
All right, there are like number of people right in this, right? In the quiz, there are a number of peoples. Kunal, can we
Yeah,
have the exact number right now?
I think Rohan can give us the proper number.
Yeah, Rohan. Okay, we have Hassan. Wow, he got 85% accuracy and his score is totally amazing.
Vineet Bansal
That's really
says
cool.
he has achieved 11,105 score. That's amazing, bro.
Yeah, that's cool. That's cool.
For the people who haven't received the certificate yet, please check your spam folder in the email. You'll find it there.
Rohan, can we have back the screen? Can we have the screen back?
So we have 16 minutes to go.
All
Yashasvi, can you
right. I guess
please
people are.
ping us on the Discord channel?
Yeah, if anyone have any queries, just ping us. Any one of the like the leads or someone organizers, just ping us on Discord.
Share the Discord channel, please.
You can find the Discord link in the chat right now. Vineet will be back soon with the scores. Can we know how many of you are done with the Kahoot? Can you please?
Yeah, we are just making sure like everyone goes through the Kahoot quiz. We're just waiting for everyone to fill the forms. We're just waiting for that. Okay, there are a number of people who are done with the quiz. I guess we should wait for just 2 minutes and then we can show the results. What do you
Yeah,
say,
sure,
Rohan?
sure. Yeah, sure.
All right, guys.
Yeah, we'll do it.
Just wait for 2 minutes. We are just making sure like everyone is there with this Kahoot quiz. Everyone is done with the Kahoot. Sayan is saying I can't play it. Sayan, can we know the reason?
You can just start the quiz again. There might be been some issue with it.
Yeah, and if anyone is left with the quiz, just do it. So we can just close it. Okay, Sayan is saying I'm just stuck at the join page.
Then I think you need to add your username to the page.
Yeah, otherwise you can use it in incognito mode and then you can use it directly. I guess that will work perfectly fine.
Yeah. Just go on to kahoot.it and enter the game pin. That will surely work. Go in an incognito mode, hop on to kahoot.it and enter the game pin and play this quiz.
Well, I see a lot of people are done over here. Can I know some of your scores? How did you do it?
Okay, how was the level of the question?
Yeah, how was the level of the questions? Good question, right? Did you like it or not? Akshat scored a really good one. Gokul says it was awesome, bro. Thank you, Bharat. Thank you, Akshat. Dheeraj says it was pretty easy. Well, I hope you scored well in that. Abhishek says it was easy, but the timer made it difficult. That's the real deal, bro. Thank you, Bharat, for the comments. Alright, back to the stores, I guess. Gokul says, what's next? Well, I guess it's pretty late at night right now. I don't think you'll be able to handle anymore. Well, we have a lot of things for tomorrow. We'll be updating you on that shortly.
Yeah, and we do get one feedback like key people want to know what softwares or is there any feedback for like prerequisite for the tool. We will just surely update in the GitHub repo and we will let you know people at first on Discord. All right. And if there is any other feedback or suggestion you want to give, feel free to drop the message on Discord or you can just use this chat. Just do let anyone of the team know.
Yeah, and Himanshu, few people were asking for the prerequisite for tomorrow. So yeah, so have you informed them for the prerequisite?
Yeah, see,
They have a count on it.
Okay, so
Yeah,
guys, since the YouTube video, the live is scheduled 5 hours prior to our live stream, you can find the prerequisites in the description of the video as well. So be posted in there. You'll find everything there if you need anything.
and in GitHub also, I in my repo, like I've shared the repo link, and I'll share it, so you can go there and you can give a read to it. So I mentioned all the prerequisites. Make sure you have a Microsoft account. Without that, we can't proceed. And yeah, so that's the basic prerequisite. And after that, I'll be telling you how to redeem your codes. So not everyone will get the codes, Himanshu. I'm right.
Yeah, the people who are having the .edu or college domain address, those people can redeem, use their email address, and they will get the Azure voucher codes. And the who are MSPs, who are Microsoft Student Partners already, those people already have the Azure accounts, right? So we want to help out the people who are not having Azure accounts or who are not MSPs, who don't have edu email. So we just want to reach to them. And first of all, we do have Azure codes in limited quantity. So we just want to reach
For
out to
limited
the
people.
yeah. So we won't be able to give to everyone. So we just want to make this thing clear. But
Yeah, we'll try giving it to people who don't have it. And I guess a lot of people in the call are impact volunteers or like related to impact. So most of the people are having Azure passes, and I've helped them to get it. People who don't have it, just like in registration form we have mentioned already, right, Himanshu? In
yeah,
registration form we have mentioned it, so we
yeah, the
we know
voucher
who
codes just
people.
totally depend on the quantity.
Yeah, and people attending it will get it definitely. People who have just registered and not coming to the call, we can't do it. We can't help them out. So yeah, we'll try giving it to everyone who is attending the call at least and who don't have the codes. Thank you.
Okay,
Okay.
so we
So
we
I guess we are
have
done with the quiz now.
yeah.
No one is climbing up the table now more. So it's Shuhani 92%, Hassan Nunlu 92%.
Wow.
I can't pronounce the third name. Sorry. So we have the three winners on this. So Himanshu, what do you suggest? Should we give them a shout out on our Instagram handles?
Yeah, people whoever are the winners, just drop your Instagram or like Twitter handles, or if there is any other social media platform you use, just drop into Discord or in this chat section. We'll just give you a shout out. You will get a different certificate. We'll just help you out through all the resources as well.
So the people, top three people, please.
Ravi, can you please tell the people about the today's certificate?
Yes. We will send you a certificate before 1:30. Between 1:30 to 2 o'clock. Okay. Don't forget to check in spam folder. Okay. If you don't receive that certificate in the last of the date, we will resend all the certificates. Okay. And if you want to add it on your LinkedIn, you can add it. If you want to verify, you can verify with QR code which is available on your certificates. Okay.
Ravi,
Don't
people
forget to
are
check.
asking for
Yeah,
the link.
some people are posting that tie at 92% now between three. Just look at your final scores here: 16705, 15498, 14963. These are the top three scorers in the game. So it's up on the scores which they have got secured. So the rank is decided upon the score, not on the percentage which you have got.
Yeah. Yeah.
Ravi,
We will
Yeah,
send
and
you in that.
can we have top five? Can we have top five? I just want to reach out to more. Let's just have
Yeah,
five,
sure.
right?
Okay, then we'll have just top
all
five.
right, we
Okay,
are
cool.
going to shout out 5 top people. Ravi, people are asking about the link for the certificate.
Okay. Hold on.
Also asking for the GitHub task.
Yeah, GitHub task is you have to create one repository and create HTML, CSS file. You can add anything, but you have at least 5 commits. Okay. We will mention this in your certificate email, which we'll send after an hour. Okay. Create one repository and add HTML, CSS file with 5 commits. 5 PR. No, PR. We will check create a new repository. If you have already, then you have to create a new one. If you already have a project,
Is there something online?
मैं हूँ ना ऑनलाइन.
Yeah.
ये I think live बंद हो गया ना?
No, we are good.
No.
We are on live. I guess so. We are on live.
शायद. Okay, create a repository with name of Azure Days 2. Azure Days 2. We will send you a form link in your certificate email. We will send after an hour. And guys, do a favor, post these certificates on LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and tag MSP India and mention these hashtags so we can track you.
If you post about it, if you write about it, yeah. So you'll be getting
आवाज कट रही है जो भी है.
Okay.
Yeah, Ravi, people are asking. There's a question. Yeah, what about the certificate link? Can they get the certificate?
Yeah, I am again pasted the certificate link shortu.com/Azure Days. Okay.
Yeah, can we have the link again in the chat? People are asking me if those people can have this chat, this link in the chat as well right now. Yeah, I'm just doing. Yeah, this is the chat link for certificate. You can just go and register yourself.
And guys, do a favor, just tweet about this. Yeah, Ravi will be sending it, and do a favor, just write about it and post us.
Post your certificate on social media and LinkedIn and use that hashtag which will mention in
so that we know you more, and we'll be giving you certificate of volunteer also. If you post about it, if you write about it, we'll be tracking you and we'll be giving you the certificate for volunteers as well, and we make sure your presence in our future events. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much, guys.
And a short note for tomorrow's event, and the people who have a college ID, which means .edu or .ac.in, you just need to register with that account to create an Azure account. You'll get $150 of credit to use for tomorrow's session. And the people who don't have it, we will try to provide you with these passes for tomorrow. So it's mainly on first come first serve basis. We have in a limited quantity, so we can't provide it to everyone. The college people, you can just use your college IDs. Just try doing it. If your organization is registered with it, you'll surely get a $150 credit.
All right, I guess that's a wrap up. Thank you everyone for attending.
If you don't have a edu email ID, just create your account on Azure. We will try to provide you a voucher code.
Yeah, it's completely on first come first serve basis.
Yeah, it's just like first come first serve.
Yeah, so please be ready tomorrow for the event. Please be ready in advance so that you could get the Azure vouchers. Don't worry if you don't have a college email address. We'll try to reach out to you and give you a Azure voucher so you can use the Azure services. Any questions?
No. So can we wrap it?
The Kahoot winners will be announced on our channels, on our social media. They will be given shout out. The winners of the Kahoot, please contact us on the Discord. Tag Himanshu, tag Ravi, or any of the leads or moderators.
Yes, if you want my social handler name, I can share it. You can check on your screen.
You'll get the Azure vouchers tomorrow. We'll manage it tomorrow in the tomorrow's session. Don't worry about it. All right, so everyone, thank you for attending.
Hey guys.
Adios, amigo.
Goodbye.
Bye-bye.
Good night.
Bye guys.
Thank you guys. Good night, good morning, wherever you are, the different time zones. I know there's the issue with the time zone as well. We'll keep that in feedback for sure. I just want to say thank you all for being for this long. Thank you.
See you tomorrow.
Goodbye. Good night.